What if we use nukes to deflect an asteroid? In this video, we'll dive into the potential of nuclear explosions as a planetary defense mechanism, exploring the benefits, risks, and the legal landscape surrounding this controversial strategy.
Did you know that Earth is constantly bombarded by small asteroids? While most burn up in the atmosphere, larger ones pose a real threat. For instance, the asteroid that wiped out the dinosaurs was about 10 kilometers wide. But how likely is such an impact today? According to NASA, there are thousands of near-Earth objects, NEOs, that we monitor, some of which could potentially cross Earth's path. Understanding the threat level is crucial in considering deflection methods, including nuclear options. As we delve into this video, we'll uncover if using nukes could be a viable solution.
The concept of using nuclear weapons to deflect asteroids might sound like something out of a sci-fi movie, but it's a topic of serious discussion among scientists. The basic idea is simple: a nuclear explosion near an asteroid could change its course by altering its velocity or breaking it into smaller, less dangerous pieces. This strategy leverages the immense energy released by a nuclear blast, which could potentially provide a more significant force than other deflection methods. However, detonating a nuke in space isn't straightforward. The lack of an atmosphere changes how energy is dispersed. Despite its potential effectiveness, this method is highly controversial due to the risks and legal implications involved.
While nuclear deflection could potentially save Earth, it comes with significant risks. One of the primary concerns is unintended fragmentation. Instead of changing the asteroid's course, a nuclear explosion might shatter it, creating multiple threats rather than neutralizing one. Additionally, there's the risk of radioactive contamination if any debris re-enters Earth's atmosphere. The prospect of using nuclear weapons in space could also spark diplomatic tensions, with countries fearing weaponization of space. Finally, there's the risk of failure if the deflection doesn't work as planned. The outcome could be catastrophic. These risks make the nuclear option a contentious choice for planetary defense. The use of nuclear weapons in space is heavily regulated by international laws and treaties. The Outer Space Treaty of 1967, signed by over 100 countries, prohibits the placement of nuclear weapons in space. This treaty aims to ensure space remains a peaceful domain free from military conflict. Amending such agreements to allow nuclear deflection presents significant challenges, requiring consensus among nations. However, the potential threat of an asteroid impact might encourage international cooperation. The United Nations could play a pivotal role in facilitating discussions and modifications to existing treaties, paving the way for legal nuclear deflection strategies.
While nuclear deflection is one of the more talked about methods, several non-nuclear alternatives could also potentially protect Earth from an asteroid impact. One such method is the use of a gravity tractor, a spacecraft that hovers near the asteroid, using its gravitational pull to gradually change the asteroid's trajectory. Another option is kinetic impactors, which involves sending a spacecraft to collide with the asteroid at high speed. Laser ablation, which involves vaporizing part of the asteroid's surface to create thrust, is another innovative idea. Each of these methods has its strengths and weaknesses, and some might be more feasible depending on the asteroid's size and composition. A comparative analysis reveals that while nuclear options might offer immediate results, non-nuclear methods provide safer and potentially more controllable alternatives. Public opinion plays a crucial role in shaping space policy, especially when it comes to contentious issues like nuclear deflection. The general perception of nuclear technology is often negative, influenced by historical events and media portrayals. However, with the right engagement strategies, public support for nuclear deflection could potentially be garnered. Media outlets and educational content can help demystify the technology and present it as a viable option for planetary defense. Public opinion can significantly impact policy decisions, as seen in case studies from environmental and technological fields. Understanding and harnessing this influence could be key in advancing nuclear deflection initiatives. As we look towards the future of planetary defense, advancements in technology and international collaboration are key. Improved asteroid detection systems are being developed, allowing us to identify potential threats earlier. Innovative deflection technologies continue to evolve, providing more options beyond nuclear solutions. The role of private companies in space exploration and defense is becoming increasingly significant, with entities like SpaceX and Blue Origin contributing to technological advancements. Preparing for future threats requires global cooperation, and the ongoing dialogue between nations is crucial. As the landscape of space exploration evolves, so too does our approach to protecting Earth from celestial hazards. As we wrap up our exploration of using nukes to deflect an asteroid, it's clear that this method, while powerful, is fraught with complexities. Informed decision-making is crucial as we consider the risks, benefits, and legal implications. We want to hear from you. What are your thoughts on nuclear deflection? Share your opinions in the comments, and let us know what future scenarios you'd like us to explore. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more thought-provoking content.